Good morning, guys. So today we're going to be painting Blaine's Fastback. So in the previous videos, you guys saw that I crashed it or hit the wall at Fender Hill. So there's it's not too bad of a damage. It was kind of just this section. So we body worked everything. I put some spot putty in a couple of places just to fill in the extra little pinholes. But so far that side looks good. And then for the driver's side of the car, I accidentally left the controller for the airlift management on the passenger seat. So when we was doing one of the laps, it aired out on this side. So it cracked just a little bit, but this side isn't too bad. So originally I was just gonna redo the paint on the whole quarter panels, but Blaine has an idea that we can just kind of paint this section and then just fade it into the pearl or into the clear after. And it should be a lot easier for especially the driver's side, because it's really not that big of a section that needs to be repainted. Blaine already started taping everything up, so this whole front section of the car needs to probably put some tarp or see if we can find another one of these plastic sheets, because this whole side isn't going to get painted.
The doors forward.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. I'm cleaning the gun.
No, the first closet and the
So Christine went to go drop off some of the orders for you guys, and I'm just over here sanding down the entire rear end with 400 grit. It's just a lot of sanding. Some people like to use 1,000, 800, even 600, but I learned from my shop neighbor back in Hawaii. He was an OG body man, and he recommends 400, and that's what I've been using ever since. So not to bore you guys, but I'm probably gonna be sounding for at least another half an hour. So I'll check back in with you guys once this is all sanded and ready for a little bit of spot primer. So another tip, if you guys don't have wax and grease remover, they say to use window cleaner. Now I use this specific one. It's foaming and it dries really, really quickly, but it works. I mean, I don't know if that's true or not, but I've been using this ever since we've been painting in the garage and I haven't had any issues. So I'm gonna stick with this method because it's working. So get you guys some wax and grease remover, but if not, glass cleaner works perfectly fine. So here's the setup, guys. It's a little janky, but this is how we always done it. I forgot about these spoilers. They're for this car, and I keep forgetting to re-spray them. So we're gonna go ahead and spray them right now. They're both prepped already. The car is also prepped in the grease, and we are gonna go ahead and lay some primer on these pieces right now. All right, I got you guys on the iPhone cam. Christine hates my iPhone though. All right, guys. So the wing is all primed. The quarters are all spot primered, and it's actually looking really, really good. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to the base coat now. Again, I'm just spot priming and spot painting all the parts that need actual paint, but I will be clear coating everything once it's done. But so far, so good, guys.
Yay! It's done.
We did it, guys. We just finished. Clear coat. There's a ton of trash in the paint, but it's one color. Nothing a little wet sand buff won't fix. And it's looking like a brand new car again, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and let this sit for a few hours, let it harden. It is a warmer day today, so it shouldn't take long. And then we want to get out here before the clear like completely hardens, because we're gonna take off the tape.
Oh yeah. How was it doing the blending? I feel like it was a good idea,
Yeah.
rather than having to redo the whole panel.
I think it came out pretty well. But I mean, we're gonna see when we get out in the sun. But in the garage, it looks like it blended well with the pearl. So
Yeah, it does.
yeah, I'm pretty stoked on that. Of course, guys, it's not gonna be perfect, but it's gonna look really good.
Yeah, it looks really good.